Stop scrolling. This might be the last warning life gives you. Your mind is the most powerful force in your life. It can break you or it can rebuild you. Sometimes a strong mind is more powerful than money, more powerful than talent, even more powerful than circumstances. In today's video, we're gonna learn how much the power of strong mind with the help of a story of a strong girl. So please I request you to watch this video till the end. This is the story of a girl who had nothing in her hands but everything in her mind. Her name is Chanda Zaveri. Chanda grew up in Kolkata, India in a conservative environment in a time where girls were told to follow rules, not dreams. At just 17, her family decided her future for her an arranged marriage. No higher studies, no freedom, no career, just a life chosen by others. But Chanda had something different inside her. A fire, a strong mind that whispered to her, "Your life is yours, so don't let anyone else to control it." One night, she made a decision that would change everything. She ran away from home, no money, no plan, no guarantee of safety. She took a terrifying risk because her mind refused to accept a life without dreams. She escaped to America, alone, lost, but mentally unbreakable. Imagine being a teenage girl in a foreign country with no support, no home, no familiar faces. Most people would break. Most people would cry and give up. But a strong mind doesn't collapse. What they do, they rise. Chanda worked in small jobs. She studied late nights. She survived on courage and determination. Slowly, step by step, she built herself again. In America, Chanda discovered science, molecular biology, genetics, biotech, and for the first time, she found a world where her mind felt alive. She was not rich, she was not supported, but she was unstoppable. Her curiosity became her strength, her hunger to learn became her weapon. Her strong mind became her backbone. Years later, the same girl who once escaped with nothing built her own biotech and a skin care innovation company. She started creating products using advanced peptide science. Her work reached global market. Her name became known in science entrepreneurship skills and circle. She returned to India not as a scared girl, but as a successful innovator, ready to bring new science to her own country. From escaping an unwanted marriage at 17 to become a global entrepreneur. That is what a strong mind can do. So Chanda's story teaches us one line. Your background doesn't decide your destiny. Your courage does, your decision do, your mind does. You may not have resources today. You may not have support today. But if your mind is strong, you can break tradition, break limitations, and build a life the world never expected from you. A strong mind can rewrite destiny. So ask yourself today, how strong is your mind and what life are you brave enough to create? So please comment down. What are the things that stop you to become great? Don't forget to comment it and share this video to each and everyone. Please, I humbly request to you, please share this video, like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe this channel because these kind of video I regularly create that inspire the new minds of the world. Thank you so much.